Good day guys, I'm Kint and today I'm going to teach you how to install Windows XP using VirtualBox. So first you must open your VirtualBox. Next click New, then provide name. So I will put Windows Kint. Then after type of OS that you are gonna use. So we're gonna use Microsoft Windows, and then I will choose version. So we can choose any of this, but we will use the Windows 64-bit. Why 64-bit? Because it is faster than 32-bit. Then after, we'll click next, and then the memory size. The Select the amount of memory RAM in megabytes to be allocated to the virtual machine. The recommended memory size is 100 MB. So guys, my laptop recommended memory size is only 102 MB. So we must follow it. But we have different recommended memory size. It is depend of our laptop or PC. Then after this, you must click next. Then here, hard drive. The recommended size of the hard drive is 10 gig. So after that, create and next, and here. You can change this 10 gig here, but the recommended gig is only 10 gig. So we will create and then here. So before we start our Windows, we must have our OS file. So click storage, and then as you can see empty here, click that. Then on the right side this is this design logo, and you can click here, click that, choose a virtual CD DVD file, and then click WinXP2, then open. After that, click OK, and then start your Windows. So we'll wait for a while. So here, welcome to setup. The portion of the setup program prepares Microsoft Windows R XP to run on your computer. So to set up Windows XP now, press enter. To repair a Windows XP installation using your recovery console, press R. To quit setup without installing Windows XP, press F3. So we're gonna install. So click enter. So here, F8 if I agree, escape if I do not agree, and page down next page. So we will agree. So we'll click F8, and then here the unpartitioned space. So we must separate that 10,000 MB in two. So here, enter install, C create partition, and F3 quit. So we'll going to create two partition. So separate the 10,000 MB. So C, and then here you can change the 10,000 MB to 6,000 MB. Then enter, then create another one, then take C and make this into 4,000, and then enter. And we'll choose the partition 1 new row or 6,000 MB because we'll put our OS there. So we'll click enter, and then format the partition using the NTFS file system. We will use this because to be quick. So continue, enter. Then here we will wait until it goes 100%. So wait for a minute guys. guys, wait until 100%. So here, please wait. Here, your computer will reboot in 12, 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and reboot. So wait for a while. So guys, after this, my partner will continue the tutorial of how to install Windows XP.
Hi everyone, so I am Camil and from here I will be continuing on how to install OS and how to use the group policy. So here we will be waiting for this to here if you want to set the OS to another language, you can customize. Here you can change your language. So for us, we want English because it's the universal language, but you can change if you're Chinese or Korean or whatever, if you're from different country. But here we are Filipinos, so we're using English. Then click on next. Here you can type your full name and the name of your company or organization. Here you can put any names. So for me, I'll be using L, but you can change any name you want, an organization, any organization or any name. So I'll be using Wonderland. So make sure that you have a product key of your OS, but some of the OS don't require product key, but here Windows XP requires product key. So we'll be looking for our product key. So here is our product key. So since we can't copy and paste, the product key, so we'll be typing the product key. here you can create a user account called administrator. You can use this account when you need full access to your computer. So if you want to put a password in the administrator, you can put a password here. Your administrator password, confirm password. But as for me, I don't want to put a password on the administrator, so I'll be clicking on next. Then the time of your OS, but here in VirtualBox, the time and the date cap usually is referred to your PC or laptop's time and date. So here, September 23, my computer says the same, so click on next. And from here, you'll be waiting again. When installing OS, there is a lot of waiting time, so just be patient. So we're done installing Windows, and the computer is now finalizing installation. The setup will complete in approximately 9 minutes. So it's done, and wait for it to restart. To improve the appearance of visual elements, Windows will automatically adjust your screen resolution. So just click on OK. OK. Then please wait. So now welcome to Microsoft Windows. Click on next. Not right now. So how will this computer connect to the internet? There are two options: digital subscriber line or cable model, and local area network. So if you want, you can choose any of this which is suitable for your computer, but for me, I'll be using the LAN. Next. So you can put an IP address, but for me, I will not put a IP address. If you have a Microsoft account, you can click the yes, but if you don't have, no, not this time. So I don't have a Microsoft, so I'll be using no. So here, sorry, the volume is too high. So who will use this computer? These are the list of users that will be using your computer. So you need to have at least one, because it will require at least one name must be entered. So it's required to enter at least one name. So I'll be using, you can choose any name, you can type any name, but I'll be typing Harry. After you have put your name, click on next. Thank you, congratulations, you're ready to go. So click on finish, then wait for it to restart. So here it is, everyone. This is your computer right now. You have now successfully installed your OS. And from here I will be teaching you on how to use the group policies. Group policy are the policies that you want that your computer have. So you can do a lot of things in group policy. An example for this is, if I want to remove this recycle bin here, if I don't want to see the recycle bin, I will just go to the group policy. And how to get there, just click on run, then type on jpedit.msc. jpedit dot .msc. Click on OK. So here, this is your group policy. And to remove that recycle bin I click on this user configuration, then click on the administrative templates, And since it's found, the recycle bin is found on the desktop, choose desktop. Here there are a lot of things you can do, and for us, we want to remove that recycle bin, so let's look for it. Here, remove recycle bin icon from desktop. So click on this, and you want to remove it, click on enable, apply, then OK. So let's see. Here's the recycle bin, click on refresh. Then the recycle bin is gone. So another is here, the taskbar. Here I want to disable this task manager. There. So I want to disable this so nobody can touch the task. Nobody can end the task I'm doing, or nobody can access the task manager. So let's go back on group policy. Here, let's look for the taskbar. So here it's in the system. Then here on the Control Alt Delete options. Then here, remove task manager. So click on this, then enable. Click on apply, OK, and refresh. So let's see. Here, so the task manager is disabled. So you can't access now the task manager. So let's there are a lot of things you can access here. Just look for the things you want. So now we'll be putting it again. Disable. Refresh. Here. Now you can access again the task manager. Let's put back that recycle bin here. So go back, desktop, recycle bin, disable, apply, then OK. So here is the recycle bin. So that's how you operate your group policies. You can enable or disable things. So that's all for now for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.